Hi guys, so today we'll be doing a peanut butter banana protein shake. Within this shake, as you can see, we have a banana, peanut butter, vanilla protein, and your choice of milk. In my case, I used almond milk. So first you're going to go ahead and cut the banana. This is an important element of making this shake because it allows for good consistency within the shake. After doing this, you're going to put the milk into the shake. Following this, you're going to add the remainder of the ingredients, peanut butter and vanilla protein inside. Now that we've done this, we can go ahead and organize ourselves and close the lid of the shaker, of course, and bring ahead the actual protein shaker tool. Screw on your protein shake and allow it to sit there for around 15 to 20 seconds. After this, you're about done. Of course, you can drink straight out of the protein bottle. However, it might be more fun for you to pour it into a nice cup and sip it with a straw. This is what I chose to do because I like to sip on my protein shakes while I do my work. This is a great way to relax after a workout and a shower and get along with your day while sipping on an extremely tasty protein shake. And yeah, that's how to create the protein shake. It's extremely tasty, and here's some other views of it. As you can see, it has a nice consistency and it looks good with a straw. So yeah, thanks for watching.